Hey, Les, Guys here, and welcome to Turner Truck and Tractor. Hey, it's been a while since I made a video. Everything's all right. Got a couple projects scheduled, and I've got one video halfway done, so hope to get that to you as soon as I can. Hey, today's a beautiful day, and we're forecasted for the next 60 hours coming up to be below freezing, so I thought I'd take advantage of this great weather and finish up a project I started a few weeks ago, trimming trees. Back in early January, and what I did on my steel chainsaw, I swapped out carburetors, and yeah, I should have filmed it and showed y'all, but just came out today to give it a try, and let's get to work. And what I'm trying to do is take some of these oak branches and make some firewood and some pit and barbecue size links about 16 inches long. So let's go ahead and see if this runs. All right, what you watched me do, besides trip over my own two big feet, was with this 14-inch blade, I was measuring about 16 inches from that stud right there to get my 16-inch firewood. So, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. All right, all finished up. Let's take a look and see what we've got done. Out of trimming the tree, I think we've got a few pieces that we can use. For the patio fire pit, or for a smoker, or some type of chimenea. One tip that I did want to pass along is, in my research, probably the best time to trim on these live oak trees in south central Texas is probably November and December, due to the shorter daylight hours, which forces the trees into a dormancy. The reason why that's a concern is we have oak wilt, and it travels through the air through spores and bugs, and it also travels through the ground. So you want to mitigate your risk on that. So prune any wounds that you can, or any cuts, and those that you can't, I would trim it, like I said, in November and December. You wait till February, the trees are starting to bud out and coming out of the dormancy, and then during the spring is probably the worst time of the year due to the bugs, the wind, and the dormancy of the trees. And then I've even heard, the hottest day of the year and the coldest day of the year, you got 2 days that's the best days for that. But I think in reality, November and December is probably the best for us here, and just wanted to pass that along. I just want to say thank you for watching Turner Truck and Tractor. I appreciate your time, and most importantly, I appreciate you. Take care. Till the next one.